So one thing that you love about LinkedIn, just one thing that you love about LinkedIn that I want to ask.
The culture and the way they practice it. So they're like, there are a lot of values when you heard about corporates. Like if there has a list of values that belongings and act like a owner, not a renter, and all this thing. But corporate don't practice it that much. It's always like a manager headhunting you, कि भाई काम कर, काम कर, काम कर. LinkedIn is not like that. LinkedIn has like we have deadlines. Obviously, it's a corporate, so we have deadlines. But the way they approach things, you act as a owner, so you actually act as a owner. Even though like I started as a contractor, like I said that when I started my LinkedIn journey in LinkedIn, I was a contractor on a third party basis. But still, I had my responsibilities and they let me be an owner for that. They didn't was not कि okay third party हो तो भाई तुम्हारा काम इतना ही है. You have to be like they let you take initiatives, they let you be more inclusive about things, policy making इन सब चीजों में भी आपकी advice like आपका एक ओपिनियन लिया जाता है, भले ही वो इतना बड़ा ना हो, बट एटलीस्ट
लिया तो जाता है, वही इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Exactly.
Okay, so you mean to say that LinkedIn has always helped you to grow, and as a somebody who is owning LinkedIn, who is working in LinkedIn, I want to know that has India accomplished something into LinkedIn? Like क्या इंडिया के भी कुछ rankings है LinkedIn में?
Definitely. So India as a market, as a country, we are growing a lot, especially when it comes to job world. And LinkedIn has been helping India from a long time, and right now we have actually achieved a milestone of 100 million users. That's a very big thing. But comparison to in the world, obviously thoda sa kam hai, but yeah, it's a big thing कि India जैसी country is now being 100 million users on LinkedIn, active users we're talking about. Right. So that's a huge accomplishment, and the way we are approaching the work-life culture nowadays in India, the LinkedIn is actually helping to change the game.
Absolutely. I think I would congratulate LinkedIn on the same कि भाई इतने बड़े accomplish और milestone के लिए. And at the same time मैं लोगों को भी मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ जब मैं लोगों को upskill करती हूँ LinkedIn के लिए. So I feel very proud and very helpful about it that I'm able to help students to find नौकरीज.
Definitely, and that's a very important thing कि आप ये जो कर रहे हो, क्योंकि लोग LinkedIn को सिर्फ ऐसा नौकरी प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं, तो आप जो कर रहे हो वो fantastic है, and especially with students. So I just wanted to know that when you approach students and you tell them about LinkedIn services, LinkedIn premiums, as a LinkedIn coach, so how is their response to it?
Yes, I'd say that still there's a need of upskilling themselves to use LinkedIn, and I promise कि भाई अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस को फॉलो करते रहे होंगे तो मैंने LinkedIn प्रीमियम पे भी वीडियोस बनाए हैं और नॉर्मल बेसिक LinkedIn पे भी बनाए हैं कि कैसे एटलीस्ट आप बेसिक LinkedIn से अपने आप की हेल्प कर सकते हैं. एंड जितने भी लोग मेरे यूजर्स हैं मैं उनको हमेशा प्रमोट करती हूँ कि वो LinkedIn को यूज़ करें, यूटिलाइज करें, क्योंकि LinkedIn एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्लेटफॉर्म है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट विल हेल्प यू टू ग्रो. Every day a little hard work on LinkedIn will help you to find, I think, an amazing naukri, amazing workplace where you would really want to stay. So I think for students, one thing that I'd say will be upskilling themselves to use it. LinkedIn use करना कोई डरावना नहीं है. तुमको कभी Instagram भी चलाना नहीं आता था, Facebook भी चलाना नहीं आता था, but आज जो है तुम LinkedIn को use करने की कोशिश तो करो, सीखो तो सही.
We all had MySpace accounts and Orkut's account, right?
Absolutely.
We now abandoned हो चुके हैं, but we still learn our way to Facebook and Instagram. So
exactly.
LinkedIn is like that only. You just have to be active. You just have to be more online on it. And the more you use it, the more you get to know about it. So that's more important, I think.
So this is the end of the discussion here that we are putting on. तो भाई तौसीफ और मेरा आप सभी से यही कहना है कि भाई LinkedIn को यूज करने की कोशिश करिए. एक क्लिक जो है आपका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ेगी, पर एक छोटा क्लिक आपकी नौकरी तक आपको जरूर ले जाएगी.
Definitely.
So to all my users, I'd say please make more LinkedIn accounts. Find the naukri for yourself, and if you're not able to help it, please come to me and I will try and help you out with the same. Thank you so much, guys, हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए. Signing off for now, your own personality doctor. Thank you so much, Taushif, for being here on the discussion with me at Personality Doctor.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much, everybody.